Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2271st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, we're going to get started right away. I was actually going to wait for one of my videographers and stand in front of the camera and present you with a video this evening, but when I did the analysis, it prompted me to get right on the computer and give this to you right away, not to waste time. I won't be able to produce one of those other videos for another 2 hours from now, so let me get this done for you. This is a very risky game, trading futures, trading options, trading stocks, you name it. If you trade it incorrectly, without stops, if you sell short, if you're on the wrong side, you can wipe yourself out, plus more. Please know the risks behind trading and put your stops in first. All right, so what do we have going on? For trading on Thursday, June 10th, 2021, E-mini S&P, this double top has been here for too long. Omni has gone full-blown red and says it is time to sell short for day trading. Omni is bearish in almost every indice that I want to trade for Thursday, and it wants me to sell the rallies, and I thought it's such a strong signal, I needed to come out and tell this to you right away. So for Thursday, Omni says that's it. The jig is up. It is time to go short. Now, I don't know if Omni's going to be right. I hope it's right every day. It's been very good to us, but I don't know that it's going to be right tomorrow. So put your stops in first, okay? But Omni wants us to be short E-mini S&P, Russell, maybe NASDAQ if you get a nice high fill. Let's go take a look at one other reason. So right here, you've got this double top, right? It's been sitting here for quite some time. Now, my brand of analysis says this could either be a double top or a flag, Oscar. It could be any of those two. So what do I mean by that? Well, this could either be a bullish type of flag right here. Let's just make that look a little bit more normal. This could either be a bull flag, and here's where, boy, I got to believe in my Omni. So this could either be a bull flag, and I'm sorry, let's just make this look a little prettier to you. Make that a little thicker, and we'll go like this. This is either a bull flag, and it's about to break out of that bull flag, and bull flags break out to the upside, right? Or Omni has turned red. It's not a bull flag. It is a flat top. And we've had too many highs at the same spot, and that could very well be a flat top forming. We know that flat tops promote or produce market drops. So is it a bull flag or is it a flat top, double top? I say with Omni red and the strong red signal and the flat top and the double top, we sell the rallies in E-mini S&P. So that's one of the things we're looking at. Let me show you something else that's interesting. The transportation average. I was happy yesterday when it held above the 50-bar moving average because it appears the street has been keying off that average lately. But look, Wednesday we settled below it, and the Omni is dead red. So I have to say I'm going with sell the rallies. You probably want to as well, but we always put our stops in first, because there's no guarantee the Omni is going to be right on any given day. But I'll tell you what, it's the most accurate thing I've ever seen in my life. I've been trading and in the markets as a professional for 39 years. I've never seen anything as consistent as the Omni. So let's just take that Omni signal and go with it, and we'll see where we end up. Please join me in my free live trading room. No credit cards are required at livewithoscar.com. And be sure to subscribe to these videos so that you know when they come out fresh. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.